Hello, Brian here, Spontaneous Creations. I got something new in front of you. So, a kiss pour. A traditional kiss pour is done with 2 separate color palettes and 2 cups. 1 color palette in each. And you pour the 2 cups together, just letting the stream meet as it comes just after it comes out of the cup, makes 1 stream, and it goes onto the canvas and creates a cool design. This here does basically the same thing with 1 cup. What it is a split cup with a modified nozzle, so that when the, sorry, I'm pointing it at the wrong camera. Modified nozzle, it's got a little kind of, it's a football looking thing, thin football, which keeps the streams separated until they come back together on the other side of this, creating 1 stream that goes down to the canvas. So like that, it would basically be the same thing as tipping 2 cups together. Anyway, that's the idea. Now, I'd been trying to come up with something that could hold 2 cups together and pour with 1 hand. I failed at being able to make one that I could print. And Larry got this idea, my brother-in-law Larry, and he came up with this, with the football thing. I think I improved the handle a little bit, but it looks pretty good. The handle might be, I mean, you can do it with 1 hand, a finger in there, pretty steady. This is 13 ounces though, so 6.5 ounces in each side. You got to kind of watch it when you're filling it. Don't fill it all the way up unless you got a big canvas. So, my color palette. I have some black, these are all Pirage Posse paints. You can check out Pirage Posse. There's a link in my description below, as well as a link to my Etsy shop, which this is just like Andrew and Larry did a couple tests with the cup. I'm going to do a couple tests with the cup. If it's viable, I'm going to print like 10 of them and put them in my Etsy shop, see what happens. But, okay, again, my palette. What I got is some black ice. I have some, it's the Beach Retreat 2022 and some Deep Lagoon mixed together. I just had a little bit of each left, so I made a new color. You know what? I'm going to do something real quick. I don't know if it's going to work. I have to move this forward. Sorry. I just don't like you not being able to see into the cups when I show the colors. I don't know whether that's going to help or not. Not really. Anyway, this is the Beach Retreat and the Deep Lagoon mixed together. I also have Wisteria mixed with Morning Pansy for a little bit darker of a purple, or lighter of a purple, I guess, and some Coral Reef. So I got those 4 on that side. On this side, I have Christina's Laguna, Persian Autumn Yellow, Marmalade Orange, and Allen's Red Shimmer. And I'm going to do a traditional straight kiss pour, but with this cup. And I believe I want to start, I'm going to do one side and then the other. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. What I wanted to do was kind of hold the cup this way. I should have taken these all out to start with. I don't have a cake break on this. I guess I could do the one thing what people laugh at. Much taller. One more. Yep. Keep that from turning. Anyway, I was going to tilt it back this way, but I might have just screwed that up. We have four layers. You can't see the red anymore, but we'll see what happens. Let's go with black ice. The modified deep lagoon. Pour all of that in there. Now there is silicones in these paints. So, and then the modified Wisteria Morning Pansy. And then the Coral Reef. I might need a little bit more paint in this one. Let's go with a little bit more. Alright, so that's what I got. These out of the way. And like I said, this is so I only have to use one hand. As I'm pouring, I can spin it if I want. Use my spinner. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. We'll see. So, see it? I don't want to go too high, but I don't want to be too close either. I'm not going to spin it. I don't know what I'm going to do. Anyway, this cup design was designed by Larry Trout, my brother-in-law, and this is the Larry Love Cup. It's a working title. We're not sure exactly what we're going to end up naming it, but that's one of the suggestions. The kissing, the trout kiss cup also is a idea. Didn't like that drip there. Let's get a little bit closer. You can really drain the cups with this also. Still some pain in that. I don't think I got any kale. I'm going to pour on the corners just because there's extra painting here, and where the corners get done. Murmur. Okay, I'm liking that. I'm liking the two different color palettes. I'm liking that. So I got just some regular black here. Didn't really have to put all that out of the cup on the corners because I'm going to do this with it. Just because I don't know how it's going to turn out. But so all this swiping might just get pulled right off. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Exactly, I need some more paper towels. kind of been digging the swiping lately, so. I quit talking because I'm getting into it. Starting to feel good. Kind of liking it. Like I said, I don't know how much of these cells are gonna stay because I'm gonna tilt it also. It's way too much paint for me just to. Or should I just spin it? Should I just spin it? If I just spin it, I'm gonna lose all of these cells that I'm doing right now. All of this swiping is gonna be gone. But maybe if I don't. I wonder why my camera's messing up. I wonder if that's my. It's my 3D printer messing with my camera. I am filming with two cameras, so hopefully I can get a decent video. Look at those edges though. Let's try moving it. Okay, so there's a lot of paint left on there. I'm really sorry about the interference from my 3D printer with my camera. I didn't realize it's going to do that, but hopefully my other camera is going to get a good enough secondary video to where I can piece this together and it looks okay. Hopefully. These sides do need some help, where I didn't let the paint run off the edges. It's going to be muddy. A lot of spots. Yes, these corners are just going to be muddy. Or I could just do this with them. Nope. Quit talking again, didn't I? Okay. So this is a done project. Paper towel. I don't know why I'm doing paper towel because I'm going to pick it up. I am really bummed about this video. That corner. That corner, that corner, and that corner, and the center. Okay. That's my first test of the Larry Love Cup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified when everything's done. Or when I do new ones. Have a good night.